Want a simple, organic way to fight plant fungus and pests? Just grab 2 kitchen staples, baking soda and milk. Baking soda raises leaf pH to block fungal spores, while milk brings natural antibiotics that boost plant immunity and even deter pests like the Colorado potato beetle. Here's how to make the spray. Mix 1 tablespoon baking soda with 1 liter of milk. Then dilute it in 10 liters of water. Spray weekly, top and bottom of leaves. Just avoid hot, sunny hours. Early mornings or cloudy days are best. Test on a small area first to avoid leaf burn. And bonus, you can even use it as a soil drench. Milk adds nutrients plants love. It's cheap, safe, and super effective. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more garden tips. Happy growing!